Hello everyone, welcome back to CarCoutureTV. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Subaru Outback, a rugged, versatile crossover that's long been a favorite for adventurers and families alike. On the outside, the 2025 Outback retains its classic wagon SUV blend but with sharper lines, a more aggressive grille, and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern, outdoorsy edge. The raised stance, standard roof rails, and redesigned alloy wheels enhance both style and utility, making it just as fitting on a mountain trail as it is in a city parking lot. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious, refined cabin that perfectly balances function and comfort. High-quality materials wrap the seats and dash, while the centerpiece is a large 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen featuring Subaru's Starlink infotainment system, now more responsive and user-friendly than ever. There's ample room for both passengers and cargo, with rear seats that fold flat to expand storage for road trips, gear, or groceries. Under the hood, performance remains strong and confident with two engine options, a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter flat-4 and a turbocharged 2.4-liter boxer engine, the latter delivering more punch for those who crave a livelier drive. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is standard across the board, ensuring excellent traction in all weather conditions, while a smooth CVT transmission and elevated ground clearance make it equally capable on pavement and dirt. When it comes to safety, Subaru continues to shine with its EyeSight driver assist technology, now enhanced with a wider field of view and smoother operation. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and new facial recognition tech that detects driver fatigue or distraction. It's a car that's not just looking out for you, it's practically reading your mind. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Outback is its rare blend of off-road capability, fuel efficiency, and refined comfort, something few vehicles in its class manage to achieve. It also stands out with wilderness trim, made for more serious adventuring, featuring underbody protection, advanced X-mode terrain control, and a beefier suspension system. Pricing starts around $30,000 for the base model and climbs up to just over $43,000 for the fully loaded Touring XT, making it a competitively priced option in the crossover segment considering its AWD, tech, and safety features come standard. In conclusion, the 2025 Subaru Outback is a smart, capable, and reliable choice for those who want a vehicle that does it all, whether you're commuting, camping, or just cruising through the suburbs. Thanks for watching this review on CarCoutureTV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest drives.